am Minnie. Let's learn A to Z fruits names today.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, juicy and bright.
D is for date, a chewy delight.
Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Let's eat healthy, one by one. A to Z, let's sing and play, learning fruits in a happy way.
E is for eggplant, purple and cool. F is for fig, nature's jewel. G is for grapes, green or red. H is for honeydew, juicy when spread.
Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Let's eat healthy, one by one. A to Z, let's sing and play, learning fruits in a happy way.
I is for ice apple, fresh and white. J is for jackfruit, big and bright. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, the sourest of all.
M is for mango, oh so sweet. N is for nance, a tiny treat. O is for orange, full of zest. P is for peach, I love it best. Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Let's eat healthy, one by one. A to Z, let's sing and play, learning fruits in a happy way.
Q is for quince, golden and bright. R is for rambutan, a fuzzy sight. S is for strawberry, red and small. T is for tangerine, juicy for all.
U is for ugly fruit, a citrus delight. V is for velvet apple, soft and white. W is for watermelon, cool and sweet. X is for edgewa, a summer treat. Wow! Y is for yellow passion fruit, so divine. Z is for Zephyrus, from a desert vine. Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. Let's eat healthy, one by one. A to Z, we sang today. Now you know your fruits, hooray!
My dear little learners, I hope you had fun and learned something new today. See you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.